How to add a business email to your Gmail account. So if this video helped you, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So right now we are here on our email account. Go to this gear icon and go click see all settings. And here we would just scroll down a bit and click on the add a mail account. So in this part, just type in your email account or your username that you want to be for your new business email. After that, just click on next and next again. So in here, we will manually set up this email account. So first, just click or type in your password and your username here. And after that, we would go to a website which is called Bluehost. So what we would do here is to type in the email of your email or your business mail of your choice, and then log it in. So I made a mistake here. Wait for a moment. I will check it again and make sure that you have checked this option right here, not the other one, because that is not for creating. So once you have logged in, go to your email username and settings, go to configure, and then here you will just follow this and make sure that the ports that I have encircled are the same and check the red boxes. And for the same thing in the next step, make sure that the ports for the outgoing service are also the same. And then here, just go to the webmail of the website and then type in the verification code and you're good to go. So thank you for watching.